You are all welcome to this presentation lecture series of the School of Art and Social Science at the AFUED Federal University of Education, Ondo. This is a virtual presentation of the slides. You can see the full presentation via the YouTube, but this strictly just the virtual presentation of the slides, and that will just be a bridge of the entire presentation that has just been made on plagiarism and originality in academic research works.
Plagiarism and Originality in Academic Research Works by Dr. Kehinde Emmanuel Adenego. Quote what I have just said and whisper to your hearing as an icebreaker. I just said I love you. A said I love you. B said I love you. C just said I love you. Plagiarism from last scenario is like killing the source and kidnapping the truth. What then is plagiarism? Plagiarism is the act of using somebody else's work without proper citation or attribution. Plagiarism involves stealing someone else's intellectual property, which is considered a serious academic offense. Just like the last scenario, a thief comes to steal, kill, and destroy. It is prevalent in academic settings and can lead to severe consequences. Originality is developing your own ideas, expressing your ideas in a unique manner, providing proper references where necessary, and creativity in writing, constructing your images, videos, audios, text, etc. That is then originality. Is it only text that can be plagiarized? Then watch and see. Oh, absolutely. It is possible to plagiarize images, videos, or audio content, just like it is possible to plagiarize written content. Plagiarism occurs when someone presents someone else's work as their own without properly crediting the original creator or owner of the work, and this can include images and the like. Just as seen here, the cloth here in red is an image on Instagram, and the right side can be seen where those ones were circled as copyrighted YouTube content, which were flagged as a result of audio content inside the YouTube. Now let's see forms of plagiarism: complete plagiarism, direct plagiarism, source-based plagiarism. See, once your work is identical to another work on any web source, then it is plagiarism. Other forms include paraphrasing plagiarism, self-plagiarism, accidental plagiarism, and patchwork plagiarism. Plagiarism check tools are basic tools to analyze the text and then compare where identical against any database or any published online content or publication archive. Common examples of such tools are Grammarly, Qtext, Turnitin, Copyleaks, StudyMoose, Student Text, etc. and etc. Now, check this out, the outlook of example Grammarly, to show you the percentage of plagiarism, to show you context, to show you all other things that are not rightly positioned, maybe in grammar, contextual phrasing, and so on and so forth. That will be underlined either in red, in green. Now, how to avoid plagiarism while writing include properly cite and reference, develop original ideas and express them in your own unique way while still giving credit where credit is due. Use free or paid online plagiarism checkers. For example, this is Spinboat Rewriter, www.spinboat.com. You copy and paste in the space required for the original content, then click spin or advanced paraphrasing, whichever one you want, can help you and the left hand side is the original, while the right hand side is the context that has been rewritten. Now, our recommendations. By keeping these practices on the house to avoid in mind, we can all maintain academic integrity and produce high quality written work without the fear of plagiarism accusations. To call plagiarism accusations, institutions can do this, teaching how to properly cite references, encouraging creativity and originality, which is very, very essential. Encourage creativity and originality. Also, implementing strict plagiarism policies. Very, very important. Raising awareness about the importance of originality and proper citation. Many people are sleeping and they don't know that the awareness is not there. Also, providing access to plagiarism detection software. Let this be handy and that people will have access to plagiarism detection software. Enforcing penalties for offenders. I re-emphasize, enforcing penalties for offenders. Thank you, and food for thought: how will you face the consequences if you are charged with plagiarism? This is a food for thought for everyone. I appreciate you all for listening. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your time. For time is money. I appreciate you all. Thank you once again. I appreciate. For the full version of the presentation, you can check the link on the screen for the YouTube. Thank you and God bless.